How to check if your iPhone is hacked. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find the battery option and tap on it. This section provides a detailed breakdown of your battery usage and overall health. Tap on View all battery usage as shown. Scroll through your battery usage to see if any app usage looks suspicious or look for any app that you didn't download or install. If so, you can go back to your home screen and delete that app. To remove an app, find it through the search bar, long press, and select Delete App. Tap on Delete again to confirm and remove it from your phone. You can also check by opening the Files app and deleting any unusual files that you're unaware of. Once you are on your Files app, open up your Downloads folder to see if there is any suspicious folder or any zip or compressed file. Once you find it, delete the file. Following these steps, you can easily check if your iPhone is hacked.